Okay. So students, today we are going to start a new concept, that is LCM and HCF. As we have already discussed the rules related to LCM and HCF in the previous classes also. Okay. And today we are going to take few examples through which we can understand how we are going to find out the LCM and HCF. Okay, beta? Okay. So suppose ma'am is just going to take one example here, and for that ma'am is going to take one child. Shrishti Pandey, unmute yourself. Shrishti Pandey, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my voice is clear.
Yes, beta, you are clear. Very good. Okay, so here suppose my first number is
12.
and the second number is
42.
42. Okay, and here we are going to find out the LCM and HCF of both the numbers. Okay, and here we are going to use prime factorization method. Okay, beta. Suppose nothing is given in the question. Suppose nothing is given in the question, that which method you are going to follow. So in that case, you can opt any of the method, like by listing the multiples and the factors. Simply this method you can opt. And secondly, what we can do, you can opt prime factorization method. But this is my advice to use prime factorization method if nothing is mentioned in the question. Okay, and if especially it is already given that you have to use this particular method, so you have to use that. You have to use that only. Okay, but as nothing is given here, so we are just going to simply use prime factorization method. Okay. As the name suggested, by this particular method, prime factorization method. So here we are going to do the factorization with the help of prime numbers. With the help of prime numbers. Okay. So we are going to take the first number like this and the second number like this. Okay. And you know what are the different prime numbers? What are the different prime numbers? Can you tell me this is the first prime number? Yes or no, Shrishti?
Yes, ma'am.
Second prime number, can you tell me?
Ma'am, 3
and
5
and
7, 11.
Very good, and so on we can continue. Okay, and now we are going to start from the first prime number. We are going to start from the first prime number. Shivangi, where are you moving? Shivangi, where are you moving? Sit properly and take a single place. Set your place. Yes. So here, suppose 2 is already given. 2 is already given. Okay. So we are going to take, we are going to check that this 2, that is the first prime number, is divisible by 12 or not. Or we can say that 12 is divisible by 2 or not. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. 12 is divisible by 2. So here it comes under 6. 6 2s are 12. Okay, beta, 6 2s are 12. Okay, so again here we are going to check that 6 is divisible by 2 again or not. Yes.
Ma'am, yes.
Again it is possible. Yes. So we are going to divide it like this. Okay, suppose yes, 3 2s are 6. So your answer will be 3 here. Okay, but now tell me, again it is possible to divide it by 2. Again it is possible. Shrishti, is it possible to divide 3 by 2? Is it possible?
Yes.
Huh? Is it possible? Shrishti?
No, ma'am.
Shivangi, what are you doing? Shivangi, you are playing with your hair. Yes, Shrishti. Yes, Shrishti, now tell me, is it possible to divide 3 by 2? No, it is not possible. So that's why we are going to move to the next prime number. So here the next prime number is 3. So is it possible to divide 3 by 3 here?
Yes.
Yes, it is obvious that we are going to divide it by 3. So your answer will be here 1. Okay, now we cannot proceed. Now we are going to move to the next number. Okay, so here the next number is 42. Now we are going to check it by 2. We are going to check it by 2. So is it possible to divide?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Okay. Now tell me. Now tell me. So
Yes,
Shrishti, now you can mute yourself. Maybe some network issue is there. Aniket, unmute yourself. Yes, Aniket. Ready, Aniket?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So here our number is 42. Our number is 42. And we are going to check this number that it is divisible by 2 or not. That is our first time.
Ma'am, it is divisible by 2.
Yes. So what will be your answer here? What will be your answer here?
Ma'am, 21.
21. Very good. Your answer will be 21. Means 21 2 ja 42. Okay. Now again tell me, it is
Yes.
again possible to divide by 2 or not?
Ma'am, it is not divisible by 2, but ma'am, it is divisible by second prime number, that is 3.
Exactly. Very good. Second prime number, that is 3. So here our answer will be
3 7s are 21.
3 7, that 21. So again it is possible by 3. 7 is possible by 3. Yes.
No, ma'am, it is already a prime number.
Yes, exactly, because it is already a prime number. So we cannot opt. We cannot opt this 5 also. We cannot opt. Okay, we have to move to the next prime number. That is 7. That is 7. So we have to take 7
And
over
ma'am,
here.
7 1s are 7.
7 1 are 7. I hope it is clear till here. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Yes. So beta, these are the prime factors. These are the prime factors. Means 2 multiply 3 and 2 multiply 3 multiply 7. These are the prime factors of 12 and 42. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
But here, ma'am is going to tell you how we are going to write down. How we are going to write down these prime numbers. These prime factors, how we are going to write. Okay, beta? A special way. By
Okay,
writing
ma'am.
down the factors in that way, it must be very easy. It will be definitely very easy to find out the LCM HCF. Okay, how we are going to write down? Let's see. Prime factorization, or we can say prime factors. Prime factors of 12. Can you tell me prime factors of 12? Yes.
Ma'am, 2 3.
2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. Okay, you have to write down like this. Okay, and the second one is prime
Okay, ma'am.
factors of 42. Prime factors of 42. How we are going to write? 2 multiply 3 multiply 7. These are the prime factors. These are the prime factors.
Yes, ma'am.
But here you should understand one thing. बहुत important point आप क्या देखने वाले हो बेटा? सबसे ज़्यादा important point क्या देखने वाले हो? That we are going to write down.
Ma'am, in common we should take only 1 2.
Yes, in common you will take, but how we are going to write down exactly here? How we are going to write? So beta, you must understand this thing that we are going to write this 2 just below this 2. Okay, and this 3 just
Okay.
below this 3. Okay, and this 7 here, because nothing is common here. Is it clear? Is it clear? 2 under 2, 3
Yes, ma'am.
under 3. Okay, but no common is given here, so that's why we have left the space like this and this. Is it clear? So this is the exact way to
Yes,
write
ma'am.
down. This is the exact way to write down the different prime factors. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this time Shivangi. Shivangi, unmute yourself. Aniket, you can mute.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Can I mute?
Yes, beta, Aniket, you can mute. You can mute, Aniket. Shivangi, ready? Shivangi? Okay. So, beta, first of all, you are going to tell me, as we have written down the different factors. Now tell me. Now it is clear? Now it is not clear?
Yes,
Now it is clear.
ma'am.
Okay, okay. So suppose these are the different factors we have written down here. Okay, these are the factors. Can you tell me what are the common factors here? As we have written
Yes,
down the
ma'am.
common factors just below it. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what are
Ma'am,
the
the
common
common
factors? Yes,
2 and 3.
this 2 and this 3 are the common factors. But this 2 and this 7 are not common here. Yes or no? It is clear? It is clear? Only 2 and 3 are common. Okay? Okay, beta, in both the numbers. So when we are going to find out HCF, we are going to find out HCF. So what is HCF? HCF is highest common factor. So common factors are 2 and 3. Common factors are 2 and 3. We have already decided. Okay. So highest common factor will be 2 and 3. Is it clear? And what will be our answer? To multiply by 3. What will be my answer?
6.
6. Very good. So this will be your HCF. I hope it is clear. Simply what we have done, we have taken only the common factors. Only the common factors we have taken. Okay. Now we are going to find out the LCM. What we are going to do to find out the LCM? Okay. So simply we are going to take the common numbers only one time. Common numbers, or we can say the common factors only one time, and rest of the numbers, that is also one time. Okay, so how we are going to write? First of all, in the common we have taken 1 here, okay, and then the second 2, then 2, 3 we have taken, and the last 7. So what will be your answer? What will be your answer? Yes. After multiplying all these numbers, you will find out the final LCM.
Okay.
2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are, yes.
And
Yes.
ma'am,
Beta, you should learn the tables. Okay, you should learn the tables also. Okay, and tables should be on your tips. Table should be on your tips. And ma'am will take your random table test. That will be the surprise test. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, beta, you must be ready all the time. Okay. So this is
your
the
voice
way.
is not coming.
This is way. Now it is clear. Now it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the way to find out the HCF and LCM. So again, here ma'am is going to repeat. HCF means common factor. We are just going to take only the common factors. That is 2 and 3 here. Okay. And in LCM, we are going to take all the factors, but we will take common factors only one time. We are not going to repeat the common factors. Okay. We will take the common factors only one time. This is the way to find out the LCM. Okay, beta. So I hope both the concepts are clear to you. Both the concepts are clear to you. So now students, it is your turn to ask your queries. Okay, this is your turn to ask your queries. If you have any type of query, you can ask right now. You can ask right now. So here, ma'am is just going to. One second.
Okay, ma'am. Now it is.